I'm here today to tell you about the best feature in Google Sheets that no one seems to know exists, and that's search. We shouldn't be surprised, right? Google is awesome at search. The great news is they've put it in each of their products, that's Sheets, and also Docs and Slides. All we have to do to access search is going to be on a Mac, Option, and the slash or division key that's right next to Shift. And on a PC, it's going to be Alt and the slash or division key. First step though, before you do that, is to select your data. So let's say I select my vendor list here. And maybe I want to change the color of this text. I pull up search by holding down the Option and slash or Alt slash and just start typing. If I want my text to be blue, I can just start typing blue and select. If I actually want to change the background color, that's known as highlight in Google. So I'm going to start typing highlight. Maybe I want that to be gray. I can also access functionality, for example, CopyPaste Values. I will copy first, bring up search, paste as values only. I can take it one step further by saying search, remove duplicate rows, and now I have one of each value as just one example. So hopefully search can save you a ton of time in Google Sheets, any formatting, any functionality, and it's probably the least known feature that's totally awesome in the product. For more tips like this, check out Recalc Academy at our website, recalcacademy.com, or follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube.